Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today, I'm presenting you tutorial of vertical blur plus zoom in, updated version, advanced result. Click on the transition point and select vertical blur set timing 0.2 Apply to all clips. Now go to Video Effects. Go to Opening and Closing. Select Vertical Blur. Make its length 1/3 of the clip length. Go to Object and select All Videos. Add a keyframe at start and set blur 100. Add another at end and set blur 0. Now go to Graphs and select these out too. Copy the effect 4 times and drag the 4th copy to start of next clip. And keep the process going till last clip. Now go to Animation and select Bottom Swing. Time 0.2 second. Apply the same animation to all clips. After that, add animation fade out with timing 0.2 second to all clips. Now add keyframes at start and end of each clip. Bring the pointer to end keyframe and go to Basics. Increase the scale to 50 points than current scale. Set Rotate -5. Do the same to each clip. Now bring pointer to the center of clip and go to Graphs. Select Ease in 3. Apply to all clips. And we're done. Save your video.